effect until 1 p.m. Thursday. For Hancock, Wyandotte, Marion, Morrill, and Knox counties, wind chill values will fall overnight, reaching 25 to 30 below by Thursday morning. Wind chills will slowly rebound through the day on Thursday to 10 below by late afternoon. The lowest wind chill values will occur late tonight and Thursday morning. Frostbite and hypothermia are possible if precautions are not taken. Some blowing and drifting snow will also occur. Winds northwest 10 to 20 miles an hour becoming southwest. Gusts to 25 miles an hour at times. Temperatures, lows of 5 to 10 below overnight. Highs will be near 12 degrees on Thursday.
Wind chill advisory.